kanin share tirani
Ruben hekanin Ruben sila suninga
Chief Minister Zom tak Pulal Duomo po ground the road. The Honorable Chief Minister Pulal Duomo has just arrived. Kumin Republic Day parade contingency nga upaber kan hi ex-serviceman contingent at ang niya like sang muapa atela ani hi kum somriat pakomi ani Kumin Republic Day parade hian tidan hungangin kan police contingent po state nga an parade China wena hian Assam police contingent te anron telve ni heta helai kan parade hian
गणतंत्र दिवस
Ladies and gentlemen, our Chief Guest, the Honorable Governor of Mizoram, General V.K. Singh, PVSM, AVSM, YSM has arrived at the parade ground and will now unfurl the national flag, for which all are requested to kindly stand up. Kan khwalian in nam puan zara popar sung le national anthem rem sung gen bipuide kan chut muna ding vectorin kanin ngene nie
गणतंत्र दिवस परेड राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट इस्लामी शस्त्र
The Honorable Governor will now inspect the parade contingent. Kan Governor Zong takin parade contingent te tuna ayan dikdona ni. Kumin Republic Day parade ayan contingent somni pathum manoma am contingent pasari anam contingent pali school contingent som panile ben party pathum manoma ni. Parade Commander hi Yatin Sharma IPS aniya. Second Commander hi Dr. Melvin Vargas IPS ani.
इस साल के रिपब्लिक डे सेरेमोनियल परेड में 23 दल हैं कुल मिला के 7 शस्त्र दल 4 निहत्थे दल 12 स्कूल दल और 3 बैंड पार्टियां परेड कमांडर है यतिन शर्मा IPS सेकंड कमांडर डॉक्टर मेलविन वर्गीस IPS In this year's ceremonial Republic Day ceremonial parade, we have 23 contingents altogether, 7 armed contingents, 4 unarmed contingents, 12 school contingents and 3 band parties. The eldest participant is the participant from the ex-serviceman contingent, Naik Sangmoka, who is 89 years of age. Let us all join together and applaud ourselves for giving ourselves the Constitution of India, which is the hallmark of our democracy, which is also known as the mother of democracies in the world. And let us take pride in being Indians.
परेड को मंच से गुजरने की अनुमति प्रदान करें श्रीमान।
간편할 걸로 뭐 그 폰 이 비추도 세는도
शस्त्र टोली बगान शस्त्र। गणतंत्र दिवस परेड।
It is two Assam Rifles led by Naik Subedar Mahanlal. The Assam Rifles has a rich history of 190 years where they have participated in a number of military campaigns including the First and Second World Wars. Parade contingent in Dan Masabertehi, two Assam Rifles and Nia, Mashwaituhi, Naik Subedar Mahanlal ani. सबसे आगे है टू असम राइफल्स की टुकड़ी जिसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं नाइक सूबेदार महानलाल। अब राष्ट्रीय ध्वज की ओर प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं। Annungsia hian nampuan zar se bei buk turin 225 battalion CRPF an no march meka an choi tu hi smartly dressed in their distinctive headgear. 225th Battalion CRPF led by Inspector D. Thangal Sodgamte saluting the national tricolour, and behind them we have the contingent from the Assam Police this year with us. Covid Republic Day Parade ahian Assam atangin Assam Police contingent and Lautela Sub Inspector Rabindra Singha kai shwailin tuna nampuan zar se bayan buk megami ani. The contingent behind them now approaching the saluting base is the 3rd Battalion MAP led by Sub Inspector Ming That Tluanga. Moi takan hampuan zar se be buk make the 3rd Battalion MAP niya an shwai tu parade an shwai tu hi Sub Inspector Ming That Tluanga ani. And the Pathianni 5th Iron Battalion then kal meka parade commander hi SI Lammuala ani. Saluting the national flag is the contingent from 5th IR Battalion led by SI Lammuala. And behind them we have the Mizoram Home Guard contingent marching towards the national tricolour. Tuna nampuan zar se bai buk mek te hi Mizoram Home Guard contingent niya contingent leader Corporal C. Valal Shwayani. Making any Republic Day Parade grand is the beautiful marching music of the band parties. Presenting the first band of today's parade is two Assam Rifles Pipe Band led by Bandmaster Havildar N.T. Riang. Bandmaster Havildar N.T. Riang kai shwainain two Assam Rifles Pipe Band ten tuna yan nampuan zar se bai buk megani. One Mizoya Squadron NCC led by one Mizoram NCC contingent now saluting the national tricolour. Contingent commander is Cadet and Officer KL Rikdiki.
Leading the unarmed contingent is ex-servicemen contingent led by Sumedar Dili Lammuala. Anam contingent patway to the ex-servicemen contingent and niya an try to his subedar belilan nun puyani an singa upaber hinay sang puakaniya kung somriya le pakuan ang mang mekanik 20 Mizo Battalion NCC Patsung University College now approaching the Suliting Ties. Junior Under Officer John Lammuala Republic 20 Mizo Battalion NCC 10 Nampuan Sarchipay at Mechanic 1 Mizo Battalion NCC Under Contingent Commander Junior Under Officer Jerry Malsong is now approaching the tricolor. One Mizo Battalion NCC 10 Nampuan Sarchipay and Meka and try to hit Junior Under Officer Jerry Malsong Ani. St. Francis of Assisi School Scouts and Guide Contingent under their leader Matthias Vanlal Shareho of Class 8 now approaching the tricolor. St. Francis of Assisi School Scout and Guide 10 Nampuan Sarchipay and Meka and try to Hipol Repsirlai Matthias Vanlal Shareho.
Leading the school contingent is Government Mizo High School. Contingent leader is Irene Malsom Donkimi of Class 9. It is the school contingent Mashwaitu Government Mizo High School contingent at Nampuan Sarchipay Book Mega. Contingent commander he Irene Malsom Donkimi Paul Kozirlaini. And Government Mizo High School is the oldest high school in Mizoram, having been established in 1944. St. Paul's High Secondary School, led by Ramdin Moiralti of Class 9, proudly saluting the national flag. St. Paul's High Secondary School, 10 Nampuan Sarchipay and Bugmega, contingent commander Paul Kozirlai Ramdin Moiralti. And behind them comes the St. Joseph Higher Secondary School contingent led by Isak Lalmon Truang of Class 11. Tuna saluting back base at Nampuan Sarchipay Book Nektahi St. Joseph Higher Secondary School and Nia. Contingent leader he Isak Lalmon Truang of also Kozirlaini. And behind them we have the Oikos Higher Secondary School contingent led by Tuna Nampuan Sarchipay Book Nektahi Oikos Higher Secondary School contingent and Nia and Troy to he Paul from Kozirlai Valerie Lalfens Waliani. First Battalion MAP Brass Band with their melodious music led by S.I. Ramchanzela now approaching the saluting base. Rimoy Moy Tagarem to the First Battalion MAP Brass Band Tenia and leader he is Sub-Inspector Ramchanzela Ani. And local make the Goodwill Higher Secondary School contingent Tenia and Troy to he balls of Kozirlai Lalpe Pluiani. We have the contingent from Goodwill Higher Secondary School led by Lalpe Kluwi saluting the national flag, and behind them Nazareth Higher Secondary School contingent led by Lal Trazwala Patwa of Class 9. Nazareth Higher Secondary School contingent 10 Nampuan Sarchipay Book Mega and Troy to he Paul Kozirlai Lal Trazwala Patwa Wani.
Ephraim Higher Secondary School led by Arlan Wanpuyo of Class 9 approaching the national tricolor. Ephraim Higher Secondary School 10 Nampuan Sarchipay and Meka and Troy to Hipol Kozirlai Arlan Wanpuyo Ani. Marching toward the saluting dice is Home Mission School led by Samuel Vanlal Troytrong of Class 9. Home Mission School 10 to 9 Nampuan Sarchipay and Meka Ani. Presbyterian English School Republic Bank Parade contingent approaching the saluting dice led by Lalrem Kima of Class 9 student. Lalmuala Republic unayan Presbyterian English School Republic Bank in Lammuala Republic and Pathianni New Hope English Medium School under the command of their contingent leader Zoutan Kimin Hamti of Class 9 are now approaching the saluting dice. Lammuala Republic Pathianni New Hope English Medium School and the contingent commander Hippo Zoutan Kimin Hamti Kenny High School is now approaching the saluting dice. Contingent commander is Edward Latus, one of Class 9. Tunan Hampuan sa Chibay po, Mektahi Kenny High School at niyan, point to Edward Latus, one of Paul Pasirlayani. Following Kenny High School is Equal South High School. Contingent leader is R. Lalmuala of Class 10. Lammuala Republic make the Equal South High School and niya and point to him also Sirlai Arlal Ani. Last but not the least, closing this year's Republic Day parade is the 3rd Battalion MFP 5 Band led by Bandmaster Havildar V. Lalswan Oma. Kumin Independence Day parade R2 3rd Battalion MFP 5 Band 10 Lammuala Republic Mega and point to him Bandmaster Havildar V. Lalswan Oma. Ani. Second Commander Dr. Melvin Marquis IPS.
Chibai. On this day, we the people of India, we remember the great men and women who made immense sacrifice. I shall highlight some of the key initiatives and achievements of my government. Assistance to enterprises will be provided, loans from partner banks with the government working as a guarantor for them. A memorandum of agreement was recently signed with 3 partner banks, namely the State Bank of India, Mizoram Rural Bank and Mizoram Cooperative Apex Bank. The scheme also includes the Chief Minister's special category. As part of this initiative, the government has introduced minimum support price for 4 key crops, that is ginger, broom, turmeric, up to the government rate. At the same time, the law and order situation in the state has made significant achievements in checking of arms and ammunition, explosives and illicit drugs have also been seized. My government is seriously tackling the menace of drug trafficking and drug abuse. In this connection, Mizoram Police and Excise and Narcotics arrested almost 4,500 persons last year. I invite continued support of all the NGOs, religious organizations, while 4,600 houses are under construction. Under Mahila Kisan Sashakti, I am happy to say that convergence of 15 village knowledge centers related to agriculture are being constructed.
Medal for meritorious service awarded to Bukaste Romal Soma, MPS Assistant Director, Disaster Management and Rehabilitation. This award was announced on the occasion of Independence Day last year. Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Puvan Lalhuna Inspector, 1st IR Battalion. And after this, we will have the presentation of the Governor's Gold and Silver Medal to 19 police personnel of Mizoram Police. That's one Governor's Gold and Silver Medal. Governor's Gold Medal, Sub-Inspector Lalmal Somkima, PHQ. Next body, Sub-Inspector Lammuala, Siaha, DEF. Governor's Gold Medal Awardee, Sub-Inspector tlangpui, DEF. Governor's Gold Medal Awardee, Assistant Sub-Inspector Pathianni, DEF. Head Constable Shyam Kumar, CID. Tlangpui, Second Battalion MLB. Constable Lalmuala Nampe, Aizol DEF. The next awardee is Sub-Inspector Lalun, Commissionerate of Excise and Narcotics, Aizol. Next awardee of Governor's Gold Medal, Head Constable PC Lalzamlian, Office of the Assistant Commissioner of Excise and Narcotics, Aizol District. Lallu Egi, Office of the Assistant Commissioner of Excise and Narcotics, Aizawl District, Governor's Gold Medal. Firefighter Kayla Lane, Swama, ITI Fire Station. And after this, we will proceed with the presentation of the Governor's Silver Medal to 8 personnel. Governor's Silver Medal awardee, Sub-Inspector K. Lalpun Moya, 1st Battalion MAP. Assistant Sub-Inspector Ishwit Hansangama with DEF, Governor's Silver Medal awardee. Assistant Sub-Inspector A. Lalthianglima, Siaha, DEF. Assistant Sub-Inspector C. Bernal Ruata, Khosol, DEF. Next awardee, Assistant Sub-Inspector Chansin Moya, Saithwal, DEF. Assistant Sub-Inspector Lalpi Apnua, Sampai, DEF. Constable Peter Sila Ramsana, CID. And the last awardee of Governor's Gold Medal, Governor's Silver Medal, Constable R. Lalnunzira, Office of the Assistant Commissioner of Excise and Narcotics, Aizawl District. Here, final lawman kan semlenga UDA department in Kopui Fiber District headquarter Fiber and Thanda results kan After this, we have with us the result of the inspection carried out by the Urban Development and Poverty Alleviation Department, and they have selected the cleanest town and district headquarters of Mizoram. The representatives of the towns and district headquarters who are here may kindly step forward as I announce the names. District headquarters, first prize, Saithwal District. The second prize winners, Siaha District, may also get ready to receive the prize. Pathum na latu Sersiap District po Kalabin Lammuala. Second prize, Siha District, receiving the check and the citation from the Honorable Governor. And the third prize winners, Sersiap District. After this, the first prize winners in the urban towns category, Phulen. Mizoram ko fiber loman Phulen in Ladona. Kan governor in Ladona ni. The cleanest urban town, first prize, Phulen. Madina, Tlangpui po Kalabin Lammuala. The second prize to Tlangpui town, and the third prize, Biate, may also be ready to receive your award from the Honorable Governor, our chief guest of this year's Ceremonial Republic Day Parade. The third prize being received by the representatives of Biate town. And now we shall have the distribution of prizes to the parade commanders and winners of this year's Republic Day Ceremonial Parade. Tuna Son Parade Commander Tele Republic Day Parade contingent the Traswal Pathupten Hena Kan Kholian Lawmna Landonani. First of all, we shall call out Parade Commander Yatin Sharma IPS to receive his prize, his trophy. Second Commander, Dr. Melvin Varghese IPS, may also kindly step forward to receive the trophy and the citation. And after this, for the first time for the Republic Day Parade, we have the award for the Best Parade Commander. The Best Parade Commander goes to the contingent leader from the CRPF battalion, Inspector T. Thanglal Sangangte. Please step forward to receive the trophy and the citation. Then after this, we will have the presentation of prizes to the armed contingents. शस्त्र दल में सब फर्स्ट प्राइज जाता है 2 असम राइफल्स की टुकड़ी को। कंटिंजेंट लीडर सामने आए ट्रॉफी लेने के लिए। सेकंड प्राइज जाता है 225th बटालियन CRPF को। And from this year, we are having the running trophy. Kubina Tranga Parade Lomante running trophy to Turania to Pumba Zongkatuan prize Pangaikan in Petrina. And the third prize among the armed contingent goes to 5th IR Battalion. Third prize among the armed contingent being received by the contingent leader from 5th IR Battalion. Tuna unarmed contingent result kan puang lega. Pakhatna ex-servicemen contingent. First prize among the unarmed contingent goes to the ex-servicemen contingent. please give them a round of loud applause because we have the most senior most member, 89 years old, in the contingent. Anam contingent zinga Pathianni dong tu ne lawin rim leula 20 Mizo Battalion NCC Pasau University College de. Kami do Pathianni pathum na dong tu lawin ring le sela first Mizo Battalion NCC. The third prize in the unarmed contingent being handed over to the winner of the third prize, my Honorable Governor. And after this, for the school contingent, the first prize goes to Oikos High Secondary School. The second prize winner may also kindly come forward and be ready to receive the prize. Second prize winner, New Hof English Medium School. And the third prize goes to Ephraim High Secondary School. Please come forward, contingent leader, to receive the citation. And after this, we'll have the prizes for the band parties. This is not according to merit. Second Battalion Assam Rifles Pipe Band का बैंड मास्टर कृपा आगे आए पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइज लेने के लिए. बैंड पार्टी द लॉमन की अंतिम दानी दोतने लवा पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइज अनि. अदोता हियन फर्स्ट बटालियन में भी ब्रास बैंड लोकल लेसेला. Tigan hun kan man belonan third MAP pipe band po running ring le box sela run sela. Loman sempan sau trip to national anthem satellite kan vine ding don dia di kan gen non le dia. Third MAP pipe band. The last prize for today's event and function. And with this we conclude the national ceremony, awards in the award ceremony, awards in Tukan Zota, Aminuya National Anthem Remilona, National Anthem Remline, Bipuitan Zavinding Turin Kanin Gene. Let us all stand for the national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly take your seats.